Here's the original house and property from an old aerial. Wow, that's pretty neat. Here's another one. The old family on the front porch back when it was a real house.
I may try to track the family down if they've got some kin around here still and give them pictures to them.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. I don't think we'll get it quite that clean, but we'll try. Hey guys, Kapper here and welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick drone flight of this 8-acre investment parcel that Curtis has that we've been working on. I should get you just about high enough to see most of the 8 acres, but let me show you an overlay of the shape of it right here, and I'll kind of keep this up in the corner for you. So here's the front. Obviously that's where all the junk is. This mobile home right on the left is part of the property, and basically everything that's brushy here is this 8 acres. It lays out a little bit weird, but this creek up here is the border on, I think, 2 sides. So all these woods and brush here. This is a big area. It doesn't look that big right now from the aerial, but it is a pretty darn good size area. It's a really nice piece of ground for being less than 10 acres. And that pond is, wow, that thing is bigger than I thought it was. It's definitely a beautiful pond. There's definitely a pinch point back there between the pond and that creek. So most of the junk is concentrated up here by the house. But don't be deceived. There's junk laying in the weeds everywhere, or to every property border. We've found mobile home frames and all kinds of stuff hidden. These weeds here are 5, 6, 7, 8 feet tall in some spots. So there's more junk than just here, but at least for the vehicles and the bigger stuff, it's all up here by the front of the property. So here's a quick side-by-side, from 50-ish years ago and today. Kind of a shame, but this stuff happens. People start collecting junk and whatnot. So let's finish out this tour, and definitely stay tuned to this series. It's been a lot of fun and a lot of challenges already, and there's a lot more yet to come. So here's a real quick story of the next episode that's coming out while you get to finish this drone flight. So that Deutz tractor is roughly 12,000 pounds, if not more. The rear tires are loaded with fluid, so that's probably at least a ton right there. They're so big. So Curtis made sure with the buyer that he sends an experienced driver with a winch, a heavy-duty vehicle winch, so we can get the thing loaded. He pounded it over and over. Make sure you have a winch to winch this thing up. Well, a new guy shows up with very, very little experience, a high bed trailer, and no winch. So here's just a couple of sneak shots of that, but let me tell you, this was no easy task, and you're gonna have to just stay tuned to see what happened and how this went. So hopefully we'll see you on the future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks a lot.